Okay, everybody, let's talk about something besides remote teaching. Today, I am kind of like at my wit's end with dealing with all of these new things. We will talk about it again, but for right now, let's just take a break, not talk about anything teaching related, and do a beauty haul. It has been such a long time since I've done any kind of a beauty haul, but I am excited to go through some of these things that I've been ordering online while I social distance, and then a couple of the things I bought, you know, back in another lifetime when I could go to stores. Some of these things are like favorite beauty items that I've used for years and years. Some of them are new things that I'm trying out. Some of them are your recommendations, because even though I can't get that much accomplished from my couch, I can hydrate. That's my goal in all of this, to come out hydrated. This smells good. Okay, so these things are from another life. I went to the Lush store. Okay, this is how different this is from my life right now. We had a karaoke party for the gospel choir that I'm in, and so we met at this like karaoke bar to do our little party and sing and everything, and it was super fun, and it was right next to a Lush store, so I can't really walk past a Lush store without going in because it smells so good. So I did get two things from Lush, these two right here. Can you guess what song I sang for karaoke? Surprisingly, it was not Mariah Carey. I did Take a Bow by Rihanna, because I only like breakup songs and sad songs. I don't really like happy songs. Those are no fun, but Take a Bow just seemed good for a karaoke bar. So anyway, the first thing that I got, this is why I went into Lush, and nothing really has like packaging or anything on it. That's one really cool thing about Lush, is they're super eco-friendly. They have a lot of fair trade ingredients, and there's just not a lot of waste. So I buy these. This is Full of Grace Serum Bar. So this is a serum, but it's in a bar. So you just like, I just rub it on my face like this, and that like warms it. And then, you know, you set this down and then just rub it into your skin. And this definitely shows up. Like, it's not easy to wear this like under makeup. This is more of a nighttime thing for me. But also on days when I'm not wearing makeup, like this just also makes you look very dewy. And it has something in it that really like draws out anything in your skin. So if my skin is feeling really congested, then I definitely remember to use this. It smells so good. Okay, so I'm almost out of my other one, so now I can use this one. And then up by the register, they were selling these cute little houses. These are little bars of soap, and the proceeds go to organizations that are helping to end homelessness. So I had to grab one of these on my way out as well. And none of this is sponsored or anything, but if you didn't already know about Lush, they fight animal testing, they have fresh cosmetics, ethical buying, 100% vegetarian, handmade, and then naked packaging. Like, there isn't any plastic really, and anything that is plastic is recycled, and then you can also take it back to the store and they will recycle it again. So very eco-friendly. I love that about them. Another thing that I grabbed from the mall, must have been like 2 weeks ago. These are like my favorite thing ever. I wonder how many YouTube videos I have mentioned these in. Probably like 15 over the course of all the years. But I love these Body Shop body butters. I do not like lotion. I do not like anything that is thin enough to be pumped through a tube. I want it to be nice and thick and hydrating. So this one is the mango. Mango smells so good. See, it needs to be solid like that. And then I also got the moringa one. I love this scent as well. This one isn't quite as solid as the mango. It kind of depends which one you get, like how like dense or whatever it is. And then this one is really nice too. This is the Wild Argan Oil. This one's pretty solid as well. And it smells so good. I think this one might be my very favorite scent because it's kind of like the lightest scent. These are kind of tough to find. I used to be able to get them like at Marshall's or Ross or something, just, you know, in the cosmetics area, but I haven't seen them there in years. They do have them at Ulta, but I feel like they're rarely on sale. So anytime they have a Body Shop sale, I go in there and stock up every couple of months. And they also have a lot of really ethical practices as well. So I don't think they're like 100% fair trade or anything, but as cosmetic companies go, Body Shop and Lush are both really good. A couple of other skincare items. So I love that solid serum. That's just one of my favorite things ever. I also really like these. These are the Pixi Glow Peel Pads. And these have 20% glycolic acid and rose water. So for my skin, I need something pretty acidic and powerful to like rub off any buildup. My skin gets oily and congested, and so we just gotta get all of that off, kind of eat it away a little bit with these, and then draw things out with the serum. But then also I want it to stay really hydrated as well. So I placed an order on Sephora, and I'm gonna test out these two new masks. This one was recommended by Maylene from Mrs. Calls Campers. She said this one's really good. This is the Pharmacy Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. I'm very excited to try this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It looks like a little honey pot, and this is magnetic. There's like a little scooper thing to get the product out and put it on your face, and then, oh my gosh, you don't lose it because it sticks to the top. This is awesome. The jar is just so hefty. I like this. It doesn't have much of a scent, so for those of you who don't like scented products, this might be really good. Okay, this intensely hydrating facial mask is blended with honey, propolis, and royal jelly rich in amino acids to help revitalize and renew the look of dry skin. The balm gently warms and transforms into a nourishing cream as it's massaged into skin, leaving a smooth, glowing complexion. All right, I have not tried this yet, but I'm very excited to. I'll do updates on Instagram stories, so don't worry. I won't leave you hanging. The other mask that I've always wanted to try, this is like a YouTuber favorite. This is the Fresh Rose Face Mask, infused with real rose petals. This jar is like so cold. I'm just really liking this jar. Be cool if it was refillable, if you could like, well, can't go into the store now, but if you could. Ooh, it smells very rosy. I've seen this on YouTube before, so I knew that it looked kind of weird, but it's like brown and it has rose petals in it. And this one says you can use it daily, so maybe we'll try it for a few days in a row and see how that works. So excited to take my makeup off and go do skincare. And you know what? One of the reasons why I have been wearing makeup, even though like I'm hardly leaving the house, is because when I don't wear makeup, I touch my face constantly. I don't know why, but like if I just do, you know, a regular no makeup day, like I'm constantly like, I'm just touching my skin and like picking at it. I don't know why, but if I put on some foundation, then I don't want to mess up my makeup. So for me, hygienically right now, it's much better to wear makeup, and then it just makes me feel like, you know, I started my day, kind of delineates the days for me a little bit. And then, you know, if I'm doing YouTube videos, it's kind of nice to wear makeup. So most days I still have been. I did not buy any makeup though. It's not really my priority right now, but doing some lovely skincare things sounds really fun. So right before we started doing this whole social distancing thing, I got a little bit of a haircut. I got the color updated and toned a little bit, and I love it. It looks so much better. I definitely needed to cut off those dead ends at the bottom there. So I have been wearing it straight a lot more often, just because I have the time. Like I can do a blow dry and then straighten it and add some curls. I mean, what else am I doing? So I have been wearing it straight a lot. I think next wash I'll let it be curly, but I was just about out of shampoo and conditioner, so I ordered these just on Amazon actually. So this is the Kristen S shampoo and conditioner. It's just called The One, so it's for all hair types. I know she recently came out with a curly version, but I already have the Tracy Ellis Ross curly shampoo and conditioner, so I'm gonna finish that one out. But I have heard good things about this brand of curly hair cleansing and conditioning products, so you know, and it'll take like a couple months for me to finish that shampoo and conditioner, but when I'm done with it, then I think I will try this version also. Okay, the last thing that I bought is maybe the most important. I was legitimately very concerned when my nail salon had to close. I'm already like counting down the days to when everything goes back to normal and they open up and I can go get a manicure again. So I have a pretty cute manicure right now. I love the little jewels on my thumb, and I love all these little colors, but this is already starting to grow out and I don't want like half my nail to be exposed and I can't get it off. So I bought my own gel nail kit, and I know I won't be able to do as good of a job as Una, who always does my nails, but I'm going to try. So this was just like the first thing that came up on Amazon, but I will link it and I'll show you everything that's in here. Very well organized and cute. So you get this little bag, and in here you have just like a bunch of tools. So you can kind of see in there, it has like nail art tools and a brush to like brush away any powder. Oh good, some little jewels so I can try to replicate what Una did. Ooh, oh these are always really fun too. Like metallic tape stuff that you can put on your nails. Oh, tip guides so that you could do like a French manicure, which I'm not going to do. Even these little guys so you can like test out your nail polish color, and just some like nail files and stuff. So these are all like the little tools that you would need. Some instructions. This is how you plug in this part. It's exciting to have one of these in my house. So this is what like dries your nails, dries the gel and makes sure that it's like nice and hard and it's not going to smudge or anything. So I haven't ever tried this out in my own house, but in probably a week or so I'm gonna have to. This I actually ordered separately. I wasn't sure if it was gonna come with this kit, but this is supposedly a magic remover. Removes soak off gel polish. So I think you can put this on the polish first. Like usually you kind of like break the seal with a nail file and get like the hardness off, and then I'm guessing I will put this on and like leave it there and it will soften the gel polish. Like that's kind of the hardest part of doing your own nails, is getting it off. Then in this little thing I've got the base coat and top coat. It's kind of small. I'm probably gonna have to order a couple of these. And then in here it came with a few different colors, and these are all very pretty. It's gonna be really hard to see them, but I think I will do a video if I can figure out how to like videotape, to like record myself while I am doing my nails. I'll try to figure out a way to do that. So in here I've got like a couple different grays, which is one of my favorite nail colors, kind of a purpley gray, and then a few different shades of kind of like blush mauvey pink. So this is perfect to get started with, and I might do like several colors on my nails like I have right now because I love this. I also just had some nail glue sitting around. I don't know why this was out, but I threw this in the box so that if I do want to do any jewels or anything, I can attach them with this. So there we go. All of it fits back in this little box. So I am excited to try my own manicure pretty soon. There will also be lots of updates on Instagram, so don't worry. All right, there's a car alarm going off outside, and that's everything I've got. I am indulging a little bit because we can't do anything else. I feel like I'm eating so much and I'm watching so much TV, and I am reading a lot, and I will feel productive if I'm also improving my complexion and my nails. So anyways, thanks for taking a break from teacher talk with me. Leave a comment with your favorite mask to do while you are just relaxing and doing some self-care, because that sounds excellent right now. So go do a mask. Oh, I should have told you to do one at the beginning of this video. That would be even better. Just masking and watching YouTube. It's great. Okay guys, I will see you later. Bye.